tornado over there somewhere. Either that way or not.
Okay, we have a really severe thunderstorm coming towards Hutchinson right now. It's already raining and lightning outside, as you can hear. The hell is starting to really pick up pretty good.
Another 1.5 miles, and then I will take the eastbound road, Red Rock
Hell's getting pretty strong.
Road.
I'm glad I moved the car in between the apartments.
Skirt the south side of the
So I moved your car in between the apartments because the hell's come down sideways so the car won't get hit as much. And I moved the car as far as up as I can under the trees.
We had that report, and again, that was relayed via the National Weather Service. We don't have an origination source.
We're still here tomorrow.
Whether it was law enforcement, whether it was public, whether it was trained spotter, because if you look all along that.
There's a tornado on the ground in Nickerson, Kansas, which is about 10 minutes from here, and it's coming straight towards Hutchinson right now. And the sirens just went off. We got the alerts on our phone, and they said seek shelter now because there's a tornado heading right for Hutchinson. I don't know if it's going to hit or not. Look at all the water it brought. I mean, look at that. Flooded out the street pretty good. There goes the sirens again. Okay, all the main part of the storm had passed over. There was no tornado in our area. Looks like the tornado dissipated and the storm is just moving by. However, there have been multiple tornadoes reported throughout the storm system that touched down around different towns. After all that chaos, tornado warnings and sirens and all that stuff, we did not get a tornado here in Hutchinson, which is good. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching, and adios.